The NEET-UG 2026 examination conducted on May 3rd has been cancelled following serious allegations of a question paper leak triggering nationwide outrage among students. The decision came after the center ordered a comprehensive probe with the Central Bureau of Investigation registering an FIR to investigate the irregularities. The National Testing Agency has stated that fresh dates for the examination will be announced within 7 to 10 days. The cancellation has sparked protests across the country, with medical aspirants questioning the credibility of the NTA and demanding that the examination to be conducted by the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Student organizations including NSUI and SFI staged demonstrations in several cities. According to investigators, the controversy began after suspected malpractice was reported from Rajasthan and Uttarakhand soon after the examination. A guest paper containing nearly 410 questions reportedly circulated among students days before the exam. Officials said around 120 questions from chemistry and biology closely matched the actual paper. Authorities revealed that the material was allegedly shared through WhatsApp groups nearly 42 hours before the examination, raising serious concerns about an organized leak. The Rajasthan Police Special Operations Group launched an inquiry, with Additional Director General Vishal Bansal stated that investigators are examining whether the material was part of a test series or linked to a larger cheating racket. In a related development, one person was detained in Nashik and Maharashtra and is expected to be handed over to Rajasthan Police for further questioning. The CBI has registered a case under multiple charges, including criminal conspiracy, cheating, breach of trust, theft, destruction of evidence and violations under the Prevention of Corruption Act and the Public Examination Prevention of Unfair Means Act 2024. Multiple special teams have been deployed across locations to probe the case. The examination was conducted across 551 cities in India and 14 international centers, with nearly 23 lakh candidates appearing. However, the cancellation has left lakhs of students distressed, with many saying that years of preparation and significant financial investment in coaching have gone to waste. NTA Director General Abhishek Singh said that he takes responsibility for the lapse, while Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan declined to respond to media queries. Meanwhile, Karnataka Medical Education Minister Sharan Prakash Patil said that coaching centers in Rajasthan and Haryana are actively orchestrating question paper leaks to boost their reputation and business. He further claimed that certain elements within the central government were complicit in the racket and called for strict regulatory action. Patil also urged the center to break up the nexus between coaching institutions and examination authorities. In a sharp remark, he said that instead of making speeches, the Prime Minister should focus on resolving such crises, referring to the government's Pariksha Pe Charcha initiative. So viewers, will this NEET-UG cancellation restore student trust in the examination system or raise even bigger questions about its credibility? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.